This is a truly incredible beauty of nature at Summerhill in Shimla. You can see the beautiful path and you can see the natural beauty of the flowers rhododendron in Himachal Pradesh and especially in Shimla. They can make you feel great and they can make you feel absolutely crazy. If you come this side is just right below the Himachal Pradesh University, Summerhill, Shimla, and you can see the beauty. Not only see the beauty, you can touch, you can feel, and you can realize the power of this nature and the power of the beauty of nature. Absolutely, it is beyond any description and beyond any. Look at its beauty, look at its pleasing nature. Amazing, amazing, amazing. This beauty of nature can make us happy, healthy, wealthy, and also crazy. Look at. This is truly, truly incredible. The most glorious and absolutely, absolutely mind-soothing and soul-awakening experience. The birds are singing. Nature is taking a fresh layer and fresh rest. See, the path is covered by the flowers of rhododendron. Just enjoy watching it. Everything here becomes itself a perfect one and a perfect part of life. This divine beauty offers so many things, so many valuable experiences and soothing experience to us. So attractive, so glorious, so phenomenal. I'm exploring and enjoying the layer and the layer of nature and its amazing and soul awakening beauty. Even you can see downside. It's phenomenal. It's phenomenal. It's great. And it's glorious. Amazing, amazing. It offers its countless beautiful colors and to human being one can feel, one can realize, one can enjoy it fully as I am doing. See, observe and remain speechless and remain wordless to enjoy the absolute beauty of this nature. This beauty of nature can put anyone into its prison, and I want to be the first one to be in its prison, to get its best and the beautiful aspect. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you would enjoy it a lot, or more. Thank you so much.